Hello. In this video, we will see how we can use the International Telephone Input JavaScript library to implement input for the phone numbers with the country options as you can see in the front of you. You will get a drop down with all the country names along with its country code, phone number country code. Okay, and along with that you will get nice input in which user can input their phone number. Okay, so in this video we will going to see how we can implement this using the JavaScript library international telephone input. Okay, so we are going to use this in a Laravel project. So to demonstrate its functionality, I just take a blank Laravel project. Okay, this is the project, and as you can see in the web file, it's right now only one route in which we are going to implement the input. Okay, so I just open its route. As you can see, it's the home route. Okay, so to start the implementation, first of all we need its CSS and JavaScript file of this particular library. Okay, so you can get this from its github page. Okay, I will post all the required information and URLs in the video description, and this is its github page. Okay, if you scroll down to the little bottom, you will see the demo and example section in table of content. And here, if you scroll down a little bit, you can find the CSS and the JavaScript. Okay, it's already mentioned here step by step what we need to do. We just need to copy the CSS file. I just paste the CSS file here. Okay, and also take the JavaScript file from here. Okay, so along with this, you will have the required JavaScript and the CSS file that will responsible for the implementation of this. Okay, so this is the file. Okay, so just we need to save this and let's see if it is reflected on our required route or not. Okay, if I go to the route and click on view page source, you can see it's successfully linked up. Okay, and both the files are opening perfectly. Okay, so okay, so the next thing what we need to do, we just need to have an input that is responsible for taking the phone number. Okay, I just take input and set it type number or just text. Okay, and set its name as phone. Okay, so let me check if we don't take its type, what will happen. Okay, if I go to the front page, you can see a nice input box without anything else. Okay, so to implement to convert this particular input box into this, what we need to do, we just need to take this code, this script code. Okay, and paste it after the this particular input. Okay, and for after this we just need to make sure that it's perfectly this both things are linked up. Okay, so how we are going to link this up, as you can see in this code, we need to put ID here. Okay, so we just simple put the ID here to ensure this both will linked up. Okay, so after saving this and go to the home page, you can see the this particular international telephone input is now linked up with all the countries with along with its codes, along with the phone input in the right hand side. Okay, so if we need to test it out, we just need to select the country, and you can see we can easily enter the input here. Okay, so this is how we can use the international telephone input in our Laravel project. You can use this library in any project, there is no issue. Okay, but for this video I demonstrated with Laravel project. Okay, If you are having any issue, just let me know in the comment section. I will be happy to help you out. Thank you.